Hey, my name is Suli and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a few new products that I just had in my drawers for a while and I haven't got to play with them, so we're gonna try that out today. So first we're gonna go with this Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown for our eyebrows. Today we're going to use this concealer, and it is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour, the number 9. And I've had this in my drawer for a while, so we're going to try that out today. We're going to use it to clean up our eyebrows. Now that the eyebrows are done, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer HD High Definition. And this is in orange. And this is for my under eyes, for my dark circles. Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation in 238 Rich Tan. See how it works out. So it doesn't come with any pump or applicator, so I guess you're just gonna pour some in the back of your hand. Real Techniques sponge. Okay, so not to tell you about that foundation. It's not full coverage. I build it up and I still need more coverage. So it is not full coverage in my opinion, even though I already built it up. It doesn't even feel like foundation. Foundation, it's sometimes like a bit more thick, and this feels like very watery to me and oily and watery. I don't know why. And like my skin already absorbed the foundation and it feels like I don't have foundation, but it's not full coverage. So I would recommend instead the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This one's like $6 and a few cents, and it is like full coverage, and it's a really good foundation. So I would recommend picking up this one instead. So now moving along, we're gonna use the same concealer that we used to clean up the eyebrows, the Makeup Revolution concealer in the number 9. This doesn't seem like it's my color. It's too like light and peachy, and I prefer like a yellowish color. This concealer I like. It worked pretty well. It built it up, but that's because I have really dark circles. We're gonna bake under the eyes, and I had this Laura Mercier powder in my drawer for a while. I think I probably used it once and I just put it in my drawer. And this is the loose setting powder and translucent. And I'm gonna use my Kat Von D Shedding Light dual-ended brush. You guys already know this is like, I really like this brush. Setting powder, like just to like touch up your makeup, like really light. Like you can even tell that you put powder under your eyes. Like it says, it's very translucent. So I like to use a yellowish setting powder because for my dark circles, like it helps it out. And with this powder, since it's translucent, like it's not really helping that out. If you have dark circles, I suggest powder like this. That's like a yellow. It has a hint of yellow in it because that helps out your under circles. Not only that, this Laura Mercier powder, it is pricey. So now I know why it's been in my drawer. So I'm gonna use my AOA Perfect Finishing Press powder because this powder did not help out my under circles. So now I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Prime and Lock. It says Longwear Eyeshadow Primer. You see how it works out? I'm gonna be going in with this palette today, and it is the L'Oreal LA Palette Nude Intense. I believe they sell this palette at Target for like $10 or $15. It does come with a mirror, and I'm gonna be using this brown right here. It is very pigmented, and also when I dip in the brush, it didn't have fallout. So now I'm gonna go in with this purple right here. So I got this Kat Von D Alchemist holographic palette. It says it's for the face and eye highlighter palette. And these were $10 at Sephora. I don't know if they still have them for $10. So that's how it looks like. It comes with a mirror. You can fold it back, and these are the colors. The first one's green emerald. The second one's blue sapphire. The next one is ultraviolet. Last one is pink opal. I'm gonna go in with the ultraviolet amethyst. I'm just gonna grab some in with my finger, and I'm just gonna place it there. Brush and spray it with some setting spray. I'm just getting a clean brush, and I'm just trying to blend both eyeshadows together right in the corner, so it doesn't look like there's a harsh line. So I'm gonna use my favorite, my e.l.f. Cosmetics liquid eyeliner in jet black. I'm gonna use this Ulta black eyeliner, and this one's really good, like it's really dark. Inside my waterline, you have to be really careful when you're doing this though. So now I'm gonna contour and use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette in Caramel Toffee. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal black mascara, and I really like this mascara. I'm gonna use this Rimmel London waterproof eyeliner in the color nude. If you put nude or white colors on your waterline, it seems like it makes your eye look bigger. Now I want to use this darker purple in the corner right here. And I'm just gonna put it right here. I'm gonna go in with this purple over here. So the reason why I didn't put this dark purple all the way was because it was gonna make my eye look like too dark. And in the inner corner, I feel like you should put a lighter color than the one at the end. That way your eye looks bigger. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal mascara. For blush, I use this Blush Bazaar from Tarte, and this was a holiday edition, so I don't think it's on sale anymore. So for highlighter, all these highlighters are very intense, so I'm gonna use the pink opal. I'm just gonna wet my BH Cosmetics brush. So that's very pink. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's very pink. So these highlighters are very pigmented, and I would suggest using them as an eye topper, like the way I used it. It look really nice that way, but as a highlighter, like it's really they're really pigmented. Like this one is pink opal, and it's my cheeks are so pink. I mean, unless you like highlighters like this, then go for it. Like they're really pigmented, like that's for sure. So now I'm gonna go with green emerald. We're gonna be very colorful today because we're trying this highlighting palette. I'm gonna go in with a clean brush, a blend right here, so there's no harsh lines. I'm just gonna fill in my beauty mark. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I'm gonna use this color right here. And I'm just gonna clean up all the blending that I did with the pink highlighter. So when you mess up or you put too much blush, you can always just like clean it up with the translucent powder. So now for the lips, I only have dark colors. So I guess I'm gonna go in with this Tattoojunkie's lip paint. It's in the color Skinny Dip. I'm gonna use the lip liner that came with it. So it's very creamy when you put it on. So this lip kit, I got it at Five Below, and Five Below is a store that most things are $5, and you can find like a bunch of makeup sets for $5. They have a bunch of pretty good stuff in there, and that's where I got this lip kit. And the lip kit was, I think it was like $1.29, like it was cheap. So now to finish this look, I'm gonna use my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. So the reason why this setting spray is my favorite is because if your foundation is kind of dry, like it'll give moisture to your whole makeup look. Or also if you add powder after your foundation, like your face kind of gets a little dry. It looks like dry and powdery. So when you put this setting spray, like it gives moisture to your face and it makes it look dewy like it says. And what this is the final look using all those new products. And I really hope you like this video, and I'm sorry about the quality of my videos. We have tried calling companies, but they say they can't work in our area. So I'm just trying to do the best I can. But if you click on the three dots in the corner of the video, you can bump up the quality of the video, and I think you can bump it up all the way to 720. So I'm really sorry, like this is the best I can do. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.